Good morning, Young Women's Leadership Academy. This is Miss Burns, your principal, welcoming you to a fantastic Friday. Everybody, welcome to Friday. Today is March the 24th, and we're back to a B day. So after advisory, please be sure you go to your 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th period classes. Students, I hope you had a good time yesterday during our Respect Starts With Me in 2023 workshops. I know you got to do assemblies and different workshops. Thank you so much to our teachers and also to our students and to our community members who led sessions for our students. It was awesome. Good job, everybody. Huge shout out to Miss Taylor for organizing the whole thing. It went great. Great job, everyone. All right, everybody, today is Comfy Cozy Day. Thank you to those of you who are participating and are supporting our freshman class. Good work, everybody. Please be sure you're following those dress code expectations. Students, take a look and make sure that you are in dress code. All right, everybody, that is all I have for us this morning. It is great to see you. Let's make it a great Friday, and I will see you in the hallways.
From the first day of school to the last, our yearbook captures the unforgettable moments that will stay with you for a lifetime.
It's a book you'll cherish for years to come.
So don't wait any longer. Order your yearbook today and relive your moments again and again.
Look for a poster with a QR code on any classroom door so you can order your yearbook today. We'll accept cash starting March 22nd.
So last big question is,
have you bought your yearbook yet?